Hello everyone, this is Jas Mohammad Khan and I welcome you with very interesting topic student, and it is the base of classification, means it is the base of modern periodic classification, and it was given by a great scientist Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev. He was a Russian chemist student, and in 1869 he gave one law, and that law is known as Mendeleev periodic law student. And according to this law, the properties, means the physical and the chemical properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic masses. So according to the atomic masses, the elements are classified in a particular table, and that table is known as Mendeleev periodic table. Student, Mendeleev classified 63 known elements, means 63 elements were classified by Mendeleev in his periodic table. And those 63 elements were arranged in group and periods. Yes student, what are the groups? Groups are the horizontal, vertical rows, and there are the 8 groups. And those groups are categorized into subgroups, and the vertical columns are known as groups, and the horizontal rows are known as periods, and there are 6 periods students. So in the Mendeleev periodic table there are 6 periods and 8 groups, and the groups are categorized into subgroups, group A, subgroup A and subgroup B. So it is about the Mendeleev periodic classification, and in a period the properties of elements is changed from metallic to non-metallic. And in this student, in the Mendeleev periodic table, there is one important characteristic that Mendeleev put some gap for the undiscovered or predicted elements, and one title was used by the Mendeleev, and that title is from our Sanskrit language, that is Ika student. So he predicted some element and he gave name to them: Ika aluminium, Ika silicon, Ika boron. So these are the predicted elements that were given by Mendeleev student, and in this, these predicted elements were changed in the modern classification according to their similar chemical properties: gallium, germanium and scandium student. So it is about the Ika theory of the Mendeleev. Now we will discuss about the advantages of Mendeleev periodic classification. So the first advantage first importance of the Mendeleev periodic table, that he classified the element from a basic property, that is atomic mass, and he provides the base to the modern classification, and he also gave the idea of period and group student. So it is the main advantage of the Mendeleev periodic table. Now we come on the limitation student. Limitation. So student, now we will discuss about the limitation of Mendeleev periodic table. So the first limitation that you will learn, and it is the most important question for exam point of view student. First limitation is position of hydrogen. Mendeleev periodic table is failed to explain the position of hydrogen, means why is it put in the first group and the period. That was not cleared by the Mendeleev. That's why the position of hydrogen is not cleared in the Mendeleev periodic table. So first is position of hydrogen limitation you will write. Second is position of isotopes. Now student, first you try to understand that what are the isotopes. Isotopes are the elements that have the similar atomic number but have the different atomic masses. So as you know that if the elements have the different atomic masses with the same elements, like the hydrogen have the 3, protium, deuterium and tritium. Like this, there are the different elements like the carbon 12, carbon 14. There are the different isotopes. So the position of isotopes is not clear, and all the isotopes or all the element of the similar atomic masses have the similar atomic masses put on the same place, student. And the isotope position is not clear in the Mendeleev periodic table. It is the second limitation. Means the isotope position is not clear in Mendeleev periodic table. Third limitation, student, that you will learn in the Mendeleev periodic table, some elements have higher masses were kept before the elements having lesser atomic masses. As you know that in the Mendeleev periodic table, the elements are arranged in increasing order of the atomic masses, but in some cases, some elements having the higher masses put first before the lesser. So it is the third limitation. Fourth limitation of the Mendeleev periodic table, student, uncertainty in prediction of elements. Like Mendeleev predicted the elements, but he was uncertain. That's why he did not give to the name of those elements. What word he used for them? He used only Eka aluminium, Eka boron and Eka silicon. So uncertainty in prediction of element is the another limitation. So these are the 4 main limitations of the Mendeleev periodic table, and you will learn them. So today we have discussed about the Mendeleev periodic table, and in our next segment we will discuss about the modern periodic classification. So thank you very much and have a pleasant day.